Do you think it matters?
Well, I just want to make sure it's
Okay.
not going out further. That's
Okay,
all.
then bring it in. Bring it over. Guys, we are at one of the longest sandbars in the Bahamas right now. Now the tides play a big factor in these sandbars, of course, right? Now the low tide tonight is at 7 o'clock p.m. So you can, by 7 o'clock it's going to be dark. So this is the beginning. It's 5 o'clock now. Now I don't know if you can see, but it's starting to be shallow here, and it's going to come around and it's going to go for over a mile way over there. Okay, now I want to keep the dinghy away from the sandbar, so if the water goes down and I lose track because I'm on the sandbar playing around, I don't want it to be high and dry. I've had that happen before, and you got to lift it for half a mile. It's just ridiculous. Wow. Just imagine this. This is underwater for 6 hours. Every 6 hours, it's a sandbar. And the birds use it too. Can you see the little birds down there? This is incredible. Now I may come back to this spot again when the tides change, like to a better time. You know, every day they get a little later. And so 12 hours ago at 7 o'clock in the morning would have been high tide. I mean low tide. So it'd be better if I wait for it to be like 9 o'clock. I ain't getting out of bed at 7 o'clock to come and do a sandbar in the morning, especially without coffee. Now, the sand's really soft, eh?
Yeah.
It's full of water.
There was a small little starfish, like a little teeny one over there.
Right? Yeah, that's good. They'll leave them alone.
Yes, I'm not touching it. It looks like the Bible, you know,
Oh,
when
where
they
I
open up.
split the water?
Yeah.
Yeah, like when I split the water, right?
Yeah.
Like, you know, yep.
Exactly.
Boom! Look at that. That was in the 10 Commandments, hon.
Yeah. And they have to walk across.
Sandy has her own commandments. They suck. Here you're gonna get a nice sunset. Yeah. And the clouds are not, it's not very cloudy right now. Could prove to be a great sunset. As you can see ahead, now the sand, like, it's really mushy in the wet spot here with our feet. It's really, but now you can start seeing it's drying out. You can see ahead. Yeah. Love it. Fresh footprints. Look at it, goes for a mile. It goes for. I just don't want that dinghy to be high and dry.
Yeah. Well, we have to go out that way.
Yeah.
And then we can go down around the bottom of it and then out.
Well, we're gonna have to cut across to get on the other side of that blue water over there.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, we're about 4 miles away from our boat right now. Yeah. There's really not a lot of water here on this part to sail the boat. Way out there is okay. Yeah. We've actually been over, we've anchored over here before. But again, low tide when we got here was like midnight or something. So this is the first time we've been on this sandbar. Oh, she found a sand dollar.
I found it earlier. I found it in my hand when I got off the boat, not too far from the dinghy. I found it. It's been in
And what are you gonna do with that?
I'm gonna add it to my, I'm gonna have a bowl of that by the time I'm done.
Ridiculous. Why don't you get a job? Sand dollars don't pay. You got there? You got more?
Yeah, I got a couple more.
A couple more.
The little ones, I'm gonna try and put them in some tissue so they don't break, because every time I get a little one, I always break it.
It's shallower than when we got off the boat, eh?
Yeah.
It's amazing the tides, how they work. It's just nuts. Where does all the water go? Then it comes back in. It's like it's a cookie sheet. It tilts every 6 hours.